Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this AT Max bundle filler number 3. Top spot advances to the main. We're live. 423. 423. List here, 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. Seven times at 423. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. You got David on top. Let's go 7. Good luck at 424. 424. List here. What do we say? 6 times. You got David on top. Let's go 7. Top spot advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 3, Bob. Congratulations, Bob. We are done. 424. Come on. 424. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.